This last video is about also technology that we're also planning on using in the weight room at Dodge City High School. We have a weight room for uh, our strength classes, and we also have um, a large indoor turf area that we also incorporate in that strength and conditioning program for a lot of our speed testing and our speed training for our athletes here at the high school. We have purchased one of these Brower timing systems um, that will help us be accurate when we're training um, our student athletes. This thing is pretty sweet. I'm not real schooled in it. We've played around with it a little bit. Uh, this thing right here is the handheld thing that the coach will hold. These things right here are lasers that help in the timing. This is the starter. Uh, this thing will do a whole lot of things for us. Not only will it time for us, but it will also give a readout on athlete miles per hour to see how fast they are actually running within a distance. You can use it to test a lot of the speed testing drills that we use when we're training our athletes. The 5-10-5 drill, the L drill. There's just several things that you can do with this. The Smart Start, you can read on there, provides the fastest and most accurate way to start an athlete using motion sensing technology. So instead of holding a timer and using our thumb when we think that the athlete moves, uh, when the athlete does actually move, this thing starts the timer as soon as the athlete moves. And then, like I said, we can do a whole lot of things with this. We just want to be as accurate as we can with our athletes to let them know where they're at personally. Um, it's a good tool for coaches um, for competitive purposes to let students know exactly where they're at, as well as recruiting purposes. Schools are getting more and more competitive when it comes to recruiting, and they like to have as accurate data as you can in the weight room, as well as their speed. And sometimes being accurate will help our athletes um, get to the next level. Um, so we're trying to enhance uh, our athletes' training experience with the push system in the weight room, and then the Brower system down in our indoor facility when we're working on our speed workouts. Thank you. Nope, I forgot the ISTE standards. Um, for educational leaders, the ISTE standards I picked for this one would be equity and citizenship. We're going to ensure all students and athletes have skilled teachers and coaches who actively use technology to meet student learning needs, and ensure all students to have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in an authentic and engaging learning opportunities. This one would be specific for our athletes. That is ISTE standards 1A and 1B for educational leaders. Thank you.